Hello, I'm going to show how to speed up Valorant updating. Use a wired Ethernet connection, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and faster download speed. Close background applications, close apps that consume bandwidth, browse the streaming apps downloads to free up internet speed, pause other downloads and updates, stop any ongoing downloads or system updates running in the background, change DNS settings, use faster DNS servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare. This can speed up server connections. Disable VPN or proxy. Proxies can slow down your connection. Disable them while updating. Restart Riot client and your PC. Restart the Riot client. Reboot your PC to clear temporary glitches. Clear Riot client cache. Close Riot client. Go to local app data /riot game /riot client /data. Delete the Riot client. Private settings .yaml file. Restart the client and try updating again. Use Riot Client in an admin mode. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues showing down updates. Check your internet speed. Run a speed test to ensure your ISP connection is stable and fast.